Booking a flight for work used to mean 3 tabs, 5 emails, and a very long hold. Not anymore. With myBiz, it's faster and easier. Follow these simple steps. Log in to mybiz.makemytrip.com or open the Make My Trip app and switch to myBiz. Tap the flights icon, pick your destination, set your dates, and hit search. From the results, choose your departure and return flights. myBiz shows you all available fare options and exactly what's included. Out-of-policy fares are clearly marked too, according to your company travel policy. Pick the one that works best for you and continue. Verify your pre-filled traveler details and add your frequent flyer number if you have one. Pick your preferred seat and choose your complimentary meal. Almost there. Select your reason for travel and send the request to your manager for approval. Once your manager approves the request, the notification lands on your email, WhatsApp, and SMS all at once. Complete your booking by making the payment from your company wallet. You can also track and access your trip details anytime in the My Trips section. That's it. Flight booked. Off you go. myBiz by Make My Trip, India's #1 business travel and expense platform.